Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Wijdan and my name is 2024-31005 and I'm from Pemrograman Web Class E. In this video, I'll present to you guys my project for Laporan Praktikum 3. I have built a student grading application using PHP and CSS. The purpose of this app is to calculate the final grade of student based on attendance, test, midterm, final exam. For the development environment, I'm using Laragon to run a local server. Laragon make it easy to manage the PHP version and database if needed. So in this case, I did not use a database, but I should use Laragon because I need the PHP language. So before we check the code, let's see how the app is work. Now, as you can see, the interface it looks so clean because I use Bootstrap 5. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna show you the past scenario of this. I'll input my name is Muhammad Hafiz Wijdan and my name. So let's say if all I get is 80 in everything, and I'm gonna check my status. So the status is lulus or I'm passing. It will turn green, and I get a grade A. So what if I'll input my attendance is all of them is 60. What will I get? Well, what will I get? Guess it. Nah, it will turn red and my status is not passing or tidak lulus. Even though my score are high, this dynamic change is handled by the backend logic. Let's dig into the code. So as you can see in line as you can see in line 75, I'm using rel style relate style sheet and reference to style CSS to connect my CSS file to my PHP file, I mean Polos PHP. So this is where I put CSS to styling the form. Okay, now back to Polos PHP. There is a I initialize the variable default for I using in this scenario. Why? Because if we don't define them, we might get undefined variable error when the page first loaded. The variable card header class is set to background primary blue by default, so the user sees a blue header solely when opening the form. Okay, let's get it to 14 to 23. Here is where I handle the form submission. As you can see, I use is set post is to check if the user click the process button, and we capture the data from the form. For the score, I use float value pause. This convert the text input from the form into the float number. This is crucial for the mathematical calculation. Okay, for the calculating grade, in line 26 is the formula that I use. Nilai akhir is equal to absen asterisk 0.10, tugas 0.20 is matches to requirement like 10% of attendance, 20% test, 30% UTS, 40% UAS. Then we determine the letter grade A to E using the simple if-else structure. If nilai akhir is up to 85, it's an A, so on down to E. For the pass and fail logic, this is the most critical logic. The requirement for passing are strict. I check if absent under to 70. If true, I add an error message. Note that requirement is absent up to 70. So the 70 is a fail. I check if any component test UTS or UAS is below 40 if only if all these conditions are met, the student might be fail. So what if we need to get it passed? We should have a nilai akhir upper 60, absent upper 70, and tugas upper 40. Only if all these conditions are met, the student might be passed. I set lulus equal to true. I change my card header class. Oh, sorry. Sorry for this disturbance. I mean, there is. So let's back to the topic. I set variable lulus equal to true. I change the card header class to background success green. If not met, I set to background danger to not passing the requirement. Okay, now let's see to the dynamic UI rendering. Let's see the HTML body and how do we show this to the user. Let's see. In line 82 div class card header, PHP inject the class we calculated background success or background danger right here. This change the color effectively. So if you see the show result, we only show the result alert after the form is submitted inside the display. Inside we display the calculated nilai akhir grade and any pesan error. This is how the entire flow works from input process output. So that was the detailed explanation of my code for Laporan Praktikum 3. We use Laragon for the server and separate CSS for styling and robust PHP logic for grading. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.